can mean many different things, from going to the movies, going shopping, or going to a party. Sometimes we are put in situations where having a good time involves having alcohol. It is one thing to have a good time and be smart about it, but it's another to get behind the wheel and have a few. According to prweb.com, in 2012 there were more than 5,500 drunk driving accidents in Dallas-Fort Worth. Out of those accidents, 172 people lost their lives. When you think back on your year and how many times you drove intoxicated, it's hard to imagine that one of those could have been you. I feel qualified to inform you on drunk driving based on the research I have done, as well as being involved in various prevention programs such as Shattered Dreams. Drunk driving is such a huge problem that has a severe life-threatening consequence for those involved. Because of the actions of some people, one drink can change the course of a person's life forever. I'm now going to explain how drunk driving has affected the state of Texas. Drinking and driving occurs every day, and many lives are taken because of one person's choice. According to centurycouncil.org, in 2010, there were 1,259 fatalities from drunk driving. Out of those 1,259 deaths, 179 people were under the age of 21. Drunk driving has become more common amongst people under the age of 30, which is sad because the legal age to drink is 21, so meaning most of those deaths had occurred from minors. From the statistics of TxDOT.com, in 2011, fatal crashes from drivers under 21 was 10.77% statewide. The largest range of fatal drivers is 21 to 25, with a percentage of 21.43. I'm now going to explain the consequences of drinking and driving. Anytime you get behind the wheel while intoxicated, it comes with many consequences. According to DMV.org, for a first offense DWI, it is considered a Class B misdemeanor. To be considered for a DWI, you must be operating a moving vehicle in a public place and have an alcohol concentration level of 0.08 or more. You will also be you will have a fine of no more than $2,000 as well as jail time for no less than 72 hours or up to 6 months. If there is a death while driving intoxicated, the punishment is much worse. If you are convicted of an intoxication assault, meaning there are serious injuries, you will be fined $10,000 and serve 2 to 10 years in jail. If you are convicted of intoxication manslaughter, you will be fined up to $10,000 and serve 2 to 20 years in jail. I will now inform you on ways to prevent and learn more about drinking and driving. High schools across Texas participate in a mock accident called Shattered Dreams. This shows an actual accident and consequences of drinking and driving. It shows that every 15 minutes a life is lost due to an alcohol-related incident. The way they show this is they have something called the Living Dead. It's students throughout the campus who are pulled out of class every 15 minutes, as well as having their obituary read by a firefighter, EMT, or a police officer. The program involves a mock accident that has care flight involved, the EMTs, the fire department, and the police department. It shows multiple students injured in a crash, a death of a student, and an arrest of a student. The students involved are taken to either the hospital, jail, or are involved in a memorial service for the life of the lost. I will now show you a video of Shattered Dreams.
Zach very much. I had a standing thing with Zach. I always told him, I said, son, if you're going to drink, I can't stop you. But I want you to do one thing. If you ever get where you can't drive, you call me. I'll come get you. Whatever you do not ride with anybody that's drinking. Just call me. I'll come get you. Zach leaves behind a brother, Greg, a sister, Holly. He leaves behind his mom and dad who loved him very much. I'm not going to remember his marriage, because it'll never happen. The first home he buys, never happened. The first movie he was going to be in, which won't happen. His first child, and he's not going to be able to see his mom and I grow old.
Losing Zach to this tragic accident is the most devastating thing we could ever imagine. Zach was a wonderful son with a promising future. I loved him more than anything in the world. We will miss our beloved terribly. Please don't drink and drive. The cost is too high.
As you can see, Shattered Dreams is an excellent way to show teenagers how drinking and driving can affect your life. It has an entirely huge impact on the student body, especially because it's people they know who are involved in the accident. Now that I have hopefully taught you more about the severity of drinking and driving, I am going to leave you with my final thought. Today I briefly informed you on how serious the matter of drinking and driving is. It takes many lives and can change many as well. This is a problem that can be prevented. There are alternatives to drinking and driving. You can call a cab, call a friend, or have a service come pick you up. There is no excuse for drinking and driving, especially if lives are lost because of it. Thank you.